Good morning from here. Good morning from Sharjah, Dubai. Well, today's video, gagawa tayo ng maraq bamya. Ito yung tinatawag dito sa Arabic na maraq bamya. Bamya is okra. Yung may ingredients na kailanganin lang natin ay of course ito yung okra or bamya. And meron akong green chili, fresh na green chili. Meron akong bawang, garlic, tomato, and potato, and meron akong konting carrots. As you can see, wala akong onion kasi wala talaga akong onion dito sa bahay, kaya sabi ko okay lang na wala lang munang onion for today. And meron akong dito, chicken breast. Gawin ko siyang parang grilled chicken, pero since wala akong pang grilled, so gamitin ko na lang yung kawali. So stay tuned with me at makiluto kayo sa akin. Thank you! So much for watching, everyone. Hope you learned something new in my video today. At lagi nating tatandaan, always cook with a heart.